just displaying a basic Gimkit strategy as requested and as promised. I probably should have chose a more difficult one or a legitimate one. Excuse me. But the main premise is showing the upgrades. We want money per question, streak bonus, and multiplier in that order. That works best for me. Put my computer on the charger. Okay. You can just ignore the themes. They're just a waste of money. The Clapinator, I tend to use the Clapinator. You really don't have to. Let me full screen actually. So, maybe you might want to get the shield. You definitely want to get minute to win it, quad greater, discounter, let's see, mini and mega bonus. And once you use all those, use the rebooter. I would advise saving up for the quad greater first. It's basically free upgrade to all four of those. All four of these. It's 100. Oh yeah, make sure you add up all of what's next. So 300 plus 300 is 600 for all three of those. I don't tend to do the I don't tend to do insurance because if you don't get very many questions wrong, then don't use insurance. But if you do tend to get questions wrong a lot, make sure you purchase insurance as much as you can. And if you tend to get some questions wrong, just use the quad grader to get insurance for free. Notice how we already have very high numbers, such as 774. Okay, we have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. I need 5,000. Notice this is going to take some time. In a real game, this would take some time to answer such a large amount of questions. Please do keep that in mind, or try to. Actually, typically I wouldn't advise waiting for you to be able to get all three. I would actually save up to a quad grader, which in this case would have costed 5 times less, approximately. Quad grader. We notice. Well, yeah, we didn't use it yet. Minute to win it. Oh yeah, get discounter first. I'm sorry. Do not get quad grader first. Get discounter first, then buy all your upgrades and the rebooter if possible. Mini and mega bonus. They're surprisingly cheap and they're especially powerful when used in unison. I'm not going to get shield just for the purpose of this game. Quad grader. Mini bonus. Mega bonus. Mini and mega only count for one question. Minute to win it is for 60 seconds. This will bring your numbers up very, very fast. Notice we're already in the hundreds of thousands after about 10 questions. Aww. Not. Okay, so I guess I can't answer questions that quickly. Let's see. 4 minutes left. Wait, actually. That sucks. That actually really sucks. Well, I guess I can just demonstrate without it. Once you use minute-to-minute quad grader, mini and mega, you want to wait about 1 minute for that to run out. Well, purchase the rebooter as fast as possible to prevent the inflation which happens as time goes on. Then purchase the rebooter and use all 4 of them again. Actually, if possible, I would use mini and mega on the same question. Like, actually, I'm not sure if you can. I don't think you can, so never mind that. After you use the rebooter and use all your power-ups the second time, I prefer getting the ICER in case you don't know how far behind the person in second is. You definitely want to use a shield, especially within the last 3 minutes, so like about now I would equip a shield. Okay, there's no reason to use a gift. Subtractor, that's only if it's really close competition, and maybe unless a lot of people see this guide, there shouldn't be. Let's see here. Blur doesn't do much, especially later in the game when most people have the questions memorized. Well, at least I tend to have the questions memorized, in part. Discounter. Oh yeah, well, if it's 10 minutes or longer, you can use the discounter twice. I don't see any reason why you would, because you're going to be buying your upgrades pretty close together. Clapinator just for laughs. I don't tend to go to level 10. This morning I didn't have time to get that high. I might have gotten to, say, level 8, because I had like 2.4 million in like, I don't know, 8 minutes, I don't know. But, sure, I'll answer some more questions and wait for this game to conclude. Here, actually, let me see how much the quad grader is. I'll see how much I can get. 12, 15. Probably gonna go up to maybe 1,500 due to inflation. See, now especially, I would purchase some upgrades, but let's do power-ups. Let's just wait for quad grader. Do we have much time? 45 seconds, I might. Streak bonus especially would be useful, I know. $300, oh right, it was 600 total. Is it per question answered, or is it depending on the money you have? Not completely sure on that. This should be enough to quadrate. Oh, right. One more important thing. Make sure you don't buy power-ups when the game is about to end, like right now. I could have, let's say, 15 times the money if I hadn't purchased that. But I'm playing by myself. I got first anyways. Let's clap it up. And that would be... This should conclude my tutorial. If you have any questions, please comment. If you need a part 2 or maybe a tutorial with real questions, if that helps, post one. Leave any comments below on any questions, concerns, tips and tricks, anything you noticed about the video or my strategy if you want to help me improve on it, because it's not perfect. Well, I think. Yeah, if anybody asks me to, I'll probably end up posting a video with a real game. So yeah, there's that. until next time, which might be a while, or maybe not actually, in case anybody comments. Plus I need to upload part 2 for the song. Until next time, I'll see you around.